And yet, the majority of manufacturers are indeed struggling to deploy these technologies at scale. To understand why, I sat down in New Jersey with McKinsey partners Katie George and Enno de Boer. Enno and Katie are fresh from a joint research effort with the World Economic Forum to track down and understand these so-called lighthouse manufacturers, beacons of best practice in the emerging fourth industrial revolution. So Katie and Enno, thanks for being here. Welcome to the podcast.
Very happy to be here.
Excellent to be here. Thanks for having us.
Enno, you've just come back from a little bit of a world tour looking at some of these manufacturing plants. You know, when I think about the future of manufacturing, I am imagining big greenfield operations, lots of robots, not many people. Is that broadly what you find?
Actually, it's the opposite. We see that in this industrial revolution, you really kind of can build on the existing equipment you have. It's mainly brownfield situations. And look at one of our lighthouses from Procter & Gamble in Rancona. That's a site that's there since 1875.
So not greenfield at all. That's about as brownfield as you can get.
Well, you can do a greenfield and you can use the technology in greenfield, but it's very much applicable to brownfield. Sensoring has become so affordable that you can sensor out all the factories with the existing equipment and then put the data to work.
What I think is very exciting is not only can you think about utilizing existing assets in a new way, but that goes for the workforce as well. How can we utilize an existing workforce and really upskill them or reskill them to be successful in the new technologies? And as Enno said, what we're seeing around the world is that some of the most advanced Industry 4.0 plants not only are using brownfield assets, but they're using their same workforce, but the people are learning new skills and working in a new way.
Okay, so my preconceptions have been thoroughly shattered here. We're not talking about big greenfield robotic operations here. So when you do go into these plants, what are the technologies in play?
Let me start with the best known example, predictive maintenance. That's kind of one use case, and there you already see how many technologies come together to innovate the way how we do maintenance in the future. And the future is now. So first of all, you have